It's snowing outside, guys. It doesn't mean you can't grill, you can't cook steaks. You do it inside the house, and there's ways. Chefs, professionals know how to make it taste good without having a grill.
Yeah, don't let the weather hold you back. You can still have that cookout indoors. We have Chef Mark here from Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. All right, how you doing?
Well, I'm doing great. You know, I got the snow tires, glad I kept them on. And you know, some Memorial Day's coming up. And don't panic. We checked the forecasting. Greg was telling me we might have some weather still on Monday. It's going to be hard to grill, potentially. Yeah. So here's my solution for that. You want to have great steaks, you want to have great food, but you're going to have to do it inside.
A backup plan.
Yeah, a backup plan. So my backup plan is sous vide, which means under pressure. It's a water bath, and I've got a steak that I vacuum packed. I just used a freezer bag, and I kind of circulate the water. It cooks in the water. You can get one of these at grocery stores for, I don't know, 80, 90 bucks.
Well, it's like a hot thing right now, this sous vide thing. But it's been around for a while. It's not necessarily new, right?
That's right. It's not new at all. It's been around since the mid-'70s.
Wow.
But it really has become a home thing just recently. Yeah. So don't let it scare you. And the beautiful thing about sous vide, we got this steak here. I cut off some big steaks. This is fully cooked out of the sous vide, but doesn't have any char on it.
Because it's essentially cooking in that hot water bath.
Right.
Yeah, it's cooking in its own juices. You know, so and you can do everything. You can do potatoes, you can do asparagus, corn, you can do any vegetables in the sous vide bath. And the great thing is you can go out for a hike and you come home and it's been cooking all day. Quick sear, okay? So you can see here I put a quick, nice golden brown sear on this. I got some onions and some fresh herbs, and I just use salt and pepper. And if you really want to get fancy with it, you can use a blowtorch, right?
I've got a lot of hairspray. I'm going to back up.
So we're just going to get in here, and we can just give that a nice torch as well. And this, you know, if you want to have the taste of the grill, this is really going to help there.
Because you're just kind of putting that char,
you're putting that char on.
Where'd you get that thing from?
Oh,
you know. Chef.
Where do you get it from?
I carry it with me everywhere for safety. All right, and of course, look how beautiful this is. You know, so we got this beautiful steak here.
Well, can you overcook with sous vide? I mean, how does that work?
Not really. So once you set the temperature, so I cooked this to about 140 degrees because I wanted medium, and I got it right. So once you set the temperature, you're going to let it cook all day long, and the steak can never get hotter than the temperature you set it at, so it can't overcook.
That's so interesting.
It's pretty cool, right?
Do chefs use this?
Every day. Almost every restaurant that's got known for their steak is doing sous vide at some capacity. Wow. It's simple. It sounds complicated. Isn't that delicious? Tender, steaky, beefy. Good stuff, right?
Beefy.
Beefy.
Yes, it's beefy. Very cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So, well, I think we're good.
Yeah, I think it's delicious.
I have questions, but we ran out of time. I have a million questions because I all have to pick your brain. ApplianceFactory.com, of course. You guys sell? You guys don't carry sous vide machines, do you?
We have sous vide built into appliances.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so swing on by one of our stores on Labor Day. Memorial Day, we're gonna have great sales.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, that's a good backup plan in case it's snowing outside.
Yeah.
Grill out indoors. Thank you, Mark.
My pleasure.
All right, speaking of backup plans, because we are in a pinpoint weather alert day, it would really ruin your